Welcome back. In the last video, we explored the audio model playground. Now, let's see how Fireworks serverless infrastructure can help you quickly prototype with LLM. To get started, I navigate to the docs and head to the Cookbook, where Fireworks showcases learning-focused examples. Under the Build with Fireworks page, I scroll the LLM section and select the Llama 3.1 synthetic data generation example. This opens the notebook in the Cookbook GitHub repo, where you'll also find a link to open in Colab. If you're interested in more examples, be sure to star and follow the GitHub repo or bookmark the Cookbook tab for easy access. Let's jump into Colab. Before diving in, we need an API key. This key is essential for authenticating your requests and interacting with Fireworks serverless models. Always keep your keys private to prevent unauthorized usage or charges. I then paste the key into the Colab notebook to configure the Fireworks client. Now I'll run the entire notebook. This example leverages Llama 3.1, which includes 3 model sizes, 7B, 70B, and 405B. In this notebook, we'll focus on accessing the 405 model via API to generate structured synthetic instruction datasets. We access the Llama 3.1 models using the Fireworks API. Here, the request targets the 405B model, but you can switch to other sizes by modifying the model string. The API responds almost instantly, and we're ready to generate synthetic data. This notebook showcases how Fireworks enables you to automate tasks like creating structured datasets for training or testing. The example generates geography quiz questions as JSON objects. Each question includes fields like instruction, context, response, question type, category, and difficulty. This is a great example of prompt engineering paired with Fireworks' ability to generate structured data. The questions are saved to a JSON file, ready for use in your projects. That's how easy it is to prototype with Fireworks serverless infrastructure. No setup, no servers. Just fast, scalable AI. In the next video, we'll take it a step further by creating an on-demand deployment for even more customization control. See you there!